Now and then they'll jitter. Have you noticed that?
Oh yeah, they'll do like
Just out of nowhere it'll do it. It won't do it in the air. Because my MiG does it too. It'll just all of a sudden look. Yeah. It never does it in the air though. Yeah, in real life, the F-4 is a lot bigger than the 18.
flying brick.
Proof that if you put enough power behind anything, it will fly.
I'll go behind that. So I'm gonna, again, I'll probably brake hard.
China clear.
That's fine. I'll just go up.
Not as hard as the Havoc because I don't think this can take it, but
I'm just gonna go up.
okay. Here we go.
Clear up.
Jeez, Ray.
What?
Going straight up.
I had to do like the Andre Webb where he does the low transition. He's the guy who does that high-speed low transition.
Take it up.
Going up.
Oh, why? That fucking Mustang.
Oh, he did go up. What the heck? You said you weren't going to. Ah, come on, man.
Well, Keon.
It's all right. I'll stick with see ya.
I'll pull up. Come on, Keon, let's go. It's like that scene in Top Gun where Jester fights Maverick.
Jesus, Keon.
Trying to get
Trying to stick with you, see ya.
slow it up.
Gonna cut the turn and then I think I'll stay on your right wing.
Go out towards the wheel.
Yeah. That's a nice pass, guys.
There you go, Keon. That was good.
There's a big bump out there.
It's like the real thing. He's going full power. I'm like nothing.
So you guys see that with the F-35 and the P-51?
Yeah. What the hell, Keon?
The P-51 was like
That was so perfect.
firewalled. You landing? Okay, I'm still gonna stick with you. No, don't. Stay back there.
Yeah, shit.
I get bored after a while.
Time remaining 41 seconds.
I barely used any throttle on that flight, so I'm still good.
30 seconds.
Fast, low pass. What?
F-18.
Not bad for a 3-year-old setup.
Keon, can you do that? Should I stay on the runway?
You can come in.
I'll come in.
10,
I've got a little time. I was barely using throttle.
I've got time too.
So I've got like another
5,
40 seconds.
3, 2,
I was flying below half most of that flight.
Okay, clear.
Okay, I'm doing if you're doing high alpha, I'm gonna go below you. Fast pass. What? He's going, where are you going? Fast pass under you.
Oh, there it is. Yellow high out. Right into the sun. Woo!
I was right above it.
Keon, where are you? Let's do a little bit of formation.
Okay, I'm gonna land so you guys don't formate in front of me.
I won't. I don't know about Keon, but I won't.
I gotta do a gear pass over the runway, then landing.
gear down.
Alright, I'm gonna land with you, Ray.
Okay, I'm probably gonna. Where are you? Yeah, you land in front, but tell me where you're gonna be.
I'll go for it.
Okay. I'll be close to us.
Landing flaps.
I gotta change those settings on the flaps. It's diving. I hate flaps. I'm never landing with flaps with this plane. Screw that. It always does weird stuff when I land. Kean's probably going to do a downwind touch and go.
That one pass we did was pretty good.
No, you guys did a good pass. I saw that.
You got it on video?
Yeah, maybe, maybe not. I was looking in that direction when you went by.
Your camera's a pretty wide angle, so.
You guys were reasonably close. This is the best time to be out. So I just can't land with flaps on this plane.
Coming like a high alpha.
That's what I've been doing. It works perfect. Whenever I use flaps, it tips. Well, I have to land a little bit faster and then keep the nose up.